Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teagan, Raleigh, North Carolina, salesperson with Fred Anderson Toyota. There's a new kid in town, the 2019 Highlander Nightshade Edition. Black accents everywhere. Black old sun, won't you come, won't you come? Let's check it out, what do you think? First things first, Nightshade Edition is made available on the SE Highlander and the SE all-wheel drive Highlander. It's available in Midnight Black Metallic, Blizzard Pearl, Salsa Red, and Pre-Dawn Gray. What do you think? 19-inch black-on-black alloy wheels with black chrome lug nuts, black door handles, black side mirror caps. We've got roof rails, shark fin antenna. I'll show you those in just a minute. This thing makes a statement. Checking out the front of the car, first of all, it's a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 295 horsepower, 263 foot-pounds of torque. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission. Suspension, when you get the SE, it's going to be sport-tuned McPherson struts on the front, and then sport-tuned double wishbone multi-link rear suspension. Then it's got projector beam headlights with LED daytime running lights, fog lights in a black housing here, the grille in a gloss black, horizontal slats all the way across. And anytime you see this flat Toyota symbol, you know it has Toyota Safety Sense. This is the original Toyota Safety Sense, so it has lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection during the daytime, automatic high beams, and then radar cruise control. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here. Boy, that is sharp in that salsa red. 19-inch wheels with 19-inch alloy rims, gloss black with the black chrome lug nuts there. That is so sharp. Black over fenders. We've got turn signal indicators here, black side mirrors. It also has, hey guys, blind spot monitor right here, gloss black door handles, black roof rails, black shark fin antenna. It's got LED taillights. Then with the rear Nightshade accents, Toyota logo in black, SE all-wheel drive in black, and Highlander in black. And by the way, if anyone wants to know what I did for fun last night, not that you asked, here it is. Here's a view of the interior just so you can get a look of what SE looks like normally. Of all the trim levels of Highlander, people know the least amount about the SE. They're a little bit more rare. SE comes standard with captain's chairs in the middle row, so it's a 7-passenger seating. This is in black and it's got that reddish stitching to it. We'll show. If you notice, it's got sun visors here, or sunscreen for backseat passengers so that the sun doesn't hit them when they're going on trips and stuff like that. Here's the rear seating. Really hard to show that from this angle. Sorry, guys. Oh, that sucks. Here's a view from the passenger side. It has power passenger seat, smart storage shelf here. You can put your cell phone, keys, wallet, things like that. Big storage bin here. It comes with the Entune premium audio with navigation system on it. So you'll get HD radio, Bluetooth, advanced voice recognition, Grace Note, leather trim steering wheel, heated seats. Comes standard with sunroof. Also auto dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink for garage door openers. Automatic liftgate here. And for anybody who wants to know, there's the button there so you can just open it and close it with a touch of a finger. Storage space here. Here's how you put down the rear seats. Just pull that lever and down goes Fraser. There you go. Here's the SE window sticker here. This is SE all-wheel drive, and I'll show you how Nightshade comes into play here. Salsa red, made in Princeton, Indiana. Great safety ratings. Gas mileage is 22 combined, 20 in the city, 26 highway. On the left is standard equipment because it's an SE all-wheel drive. Then check out this Nightshade Edition. It's only $700 more, so if you like the styling, it's a really good value. Optional equipment that was added. And then this one has a retail price of $44,128. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section of the new Nightshade Edition. Please check out ToyotaJeff.com. Order your parts and accessories. See you next time. Toyota Jeff, subscribe today. Also, ask for Jeff if you're in the North Carolina area looking for a new car. Jeff Teague, Fred Anderson, Toyota.